Hi, will tell you explain my future. I have now 30 years and in a few months I graduate with good health and I project a few years working in a multinational and as production manager. As my career is an industrial engineer, have fought hard to get your but it has gone really well. Thank God. I have my apartment, but my goal is to save more to buy a house and want to start. Creating a micro enterprise. Then purchasing my car will travel much all cities of Colombia. I love traveling. I love going to San Andres. Beaches are too nice and after enlisted best and maybe I'll go to France for a week. I'm not sure if it will by Paris or Leylis or something. My family and I choose this destination because of the people, the language. I want to practice my French and by time. French is not at sunny Spain, but at least will not rain in London. Let's do a lot of things there. We visit a lot of Greek sites and eat some different types of food. Although I'm not very used to eat them rare things, but all three and of course I'll have to buy some souvenirs.